Hello students, this is for class 5 subject IT, that is computer. Students, today in this video I will tell you about the exercises and the question answer of chapter 1, that is evolution of computer. So let's start from the first slide. As you can see, the first exercise is fill in the blanks. Here are hints given by which you have to fill in the given questions. So student, the first question is, the first mechanical calculating device was, so here you have to fill abacus. As you can see here, the answer is abacus. Abacus you can fill. The second question is, Dash invented the first mechanical calculator, Pascaline. So here is the answer, Blaise Pascal. You can fill here Blaise Pascal. Third question, Dash is the world's fastest supercomputer. So here is the answer, Tiny 2. So you can fill here Tiny 2. Fourth question, the first general purpose electronic computer was, the answer is ENIAC. So here you can fill ENIAC. Fifth question, analytical engine was invented in Dash. Here the answer, 1833. Next, state true or false. So student, first question, UNIVAC first was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. Is it true or false? So it is true. Second question, Charles Babbage invented the difference engine in 1822. It's true. Third question, the first generation computers used transistors technology. It is false. Fourth question, Mark first was invented by J. Presper Eckert. It's false. Fifth question, George Boole designed the Boolean logic. It's true. Let's proceed. Now the question number C. Here you have to match the following by coloring the pair with the same order. Students, in the fair copy you have to write either by coloring the same color with the same color, or you can write before in front of each other. Here I have done with the pen, but you have to write the answer just in front of the given question. So as here column A and column B given, so let's start. Lady Augusta Lovelace, it will be matched to the first programmer. Lady Augusta Lovelace was the first programmer. Second generation computer, it used transistors. Next, Herman Hollerith invented tabulating machine. Third generation computers, it used integrated circuits, that is IC. Next, analytical engine, it was invented in 1833. So this is about the matching word. Next question, that is application based questions, in which you have to read the questions very carefully and then give the answer. So the first question, students, Raman is working in the National Weather Forecasting Agency. Which type of computer is he using to forecast the weather conditions? So students, for forecasting the weather conditions, which computer do we use? Supercomputer. Which computer? Supercomputer. Next, application question, which type of computers does Indian Railways use to interact with the customers for the booking and cancellation of tickets? So the answer is mainframe computer. Mainframe computer is used for booking and reservations. Next set of questions, student, that is multiple choice questions. First, the era of first generation computers was, as you know, 1940 to 1956. It's the correct answer, B option. Second question, Dash is an example of supercomputer. So the answer is Cray 1. Next, Dash are used in homes, schools, shops, offices, banks, etc. So which computer? Microcomputer. Microcomputers are used in homes, schools, shops, offices and banks. Next question, students. Dash technology was used in second generation of computers. So which technology? IC, integrated circuit. Next, dash language was used in first generation of computers. So which language was used in first generation? Machine language. Now students, here are the set of questions which you have to write the answer. So first question, students, that is, name the first mechanical computer. So students, the first mechanical computer was abacus. Here is the answer. Abacus was the first mechanical computer. Second question, who is considered as the father of computers? So who is considered? Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is considered as the father of computer. Third question, which was the first electronic digital computer and who invented it? The answer is ENIAC. ENIAC. ENIAC was the first electronic digital computer invented by John Mauchly and J.P. Eckert. Fourth questions, write any three features of fourth generation computers. So students, the three features of fourth generation computers are: first, keyboard, mouse, etc. are used as input devices. Second, monitor, printer, etc. are used for output operations. Third feature, magnetic disks are used for storage purpose like hard disk, floppy disk, etc. Fifth question, students, name the types of microcomputers. Explain any two. So first of all, you have to write the types of microcomputer. What are the types? And then you have to explain any two types. So students, the types of microcomputers are desktop computer, laptop computer and tablet computers. So we are going to explain desktop and laptop. Desktop computer. So students, if we talk about desktop computers are designed to fit comfortably on top of desks. Laptop computers, they are small in size and can be placed on the lap. Sixth question, write a short note on the device abacus. Students, here you have to write about abacus. So abacus was the first mechanical device for calculating. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations developed in China in 3000 BC. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So that's all, students. It's all about the question, answer and exercise of chapter 1. Now in another video we will talk about chapter 2. Thank you.